10 everyday habits that secretly damage your health and how to fix them. Skipping breakfast. Many people think skipping breakfast is a good way to cut calories, but it can actually slow down your metabolism and lead to weight gain. Fix it by eating a balanced breakfast with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Sitting for long periods can increase your risk of chronic health problems like heart disease and diabetes. Fix it by taking breaks to stand up and move around every hour. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, and even affect your mood. Fix it by drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day. Eating too quickly can lead to overeating and digestive problems. Fix it by slowing down and chewing your food thoroughly. The blue light from screens can interfere with your sleep. Fix it by putting your phone away at least an hour before bedtime. Poor posture can lead to back and neck pain. Fix it by being mindful of your posture and doing exercises to strengthen your core. Not getting enough sleep can really affect your immune system and overall health. Fix it by establishing a regular sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Overuse of painkillers can lead to serious health issues. Fix it by using them only as directed and exploring alternative pain relief methods. Neglecting your mental health can have serious consequences. Fix it by seeking support when needed and practicing self-care. Multitasking can reduce your productivity and increase stress. Fix it by focusing on one task at a time and taking breaks when needed. By making small changes to these everyday habits, you can improve your overall health and well-being. Please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.